Hello everyone, welcome to this session of the Inland Literacy Network's Virtual Literacy Fest. My name is Charmaine and today I'll be showing you 3 literacy apps that you can download for your iPad or phone. The first app that I'd like to show to you today is Cloud Library. Some libraries have this app to provide access to ebooks and audiobooks, while other libraries use Overdrive, which is a similar app. First, you're going to download the Cloud Library app from your App Store. Next, go to the Cloud Library icon by tapping on it. You will need to sign in first with your library card. Choose select language. Select your language of preference. I will pick English. Tap the screen to continue. Next, it will ask you to choose your country, state, and library. So you will choose United States. Oh, there we go. United States. And then where it says select state or region, you will choose California. Select library. So choose the library that you're registered at where you have the library card, as a variety of libraries that use Cloud Library. So I'll be choosing Moreno Valley Public Library. Choose next. Then you will have to accept the terms and conditions. And then you will put in your library card number that's at the back of your card along with the PIN number of your account. After you put in your library card login information and press the login button, this is the home screen. If you choose cards, it has your account with all your library cards on here. If you want to add an account with a new library, you can choose Add New. You can also go here to your card and press Options. You can lock or edit your account. Let's go back to Cards and then the back button here. When you're ready to search for books, just choose Search here at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see a variety of genres. For example, there's romance, nonfiction, mystery and thriller. These are movie and book pairings, anti-racism resources, young adult. There's a lot of options here. If you want to see more that's on a list, just choose All, and then it will show the whole list that's in a particular category. Go to Sort. You can choose to sort it by book title, author, publication date, date added, or rating. And it shows the author with their last name in alphabetical order. When you go here to the top right of the screen, this is where you can choose the filters. You can choose to just look at audiobooks or just ebooks, items that are available now to check out, or you can filter by different languages. And then press Save when you're ready to use the filter. I'm going to go back and I'll demonstrate how to borrow a book. So for example, let's say I would like to borrow Becoming by Michelle Obama. So this is the green button to borrow the title. This is the Save for Later function if you want to read it eventually, but you're not ready and you just want to save it for later. Here you can see a description of what the book is about. You can tell this is an audiobook because it has the time limit here. It says how long the audiobook is. You can also see a headphone symbol here, meaning this is a audiobook. If you are not sure if this is something you want to borrow, you can go to play sample. It will have a sample of the audiobook. And then when you're ready, just press borrow. Now you have a few options. You can listen to it now, you can return it when you're done, and you can always save it. So let's go to listen. So this is the audiobook mode. You press play. You can skip sections by pressing the left or the right buttons to go forward or backward. These two options here let you skip ahead by a few seconds if you want to rewind something or fast forward something. This one here is a sleep timer. If you're sleeping and if you wanted to turn off at a certain time, you can choose. This one here is if you want to change the speed. And this is the table of contents if you want to jump ahead to a chapter. You can also use the bookmarks notes feature if you want to bookmark any sections that you want to go back to. And that is it. The concept is the same for an ebook. The only difference is with the ebook, you will be reading it, and the audiobook, you listen to it. So if you go into My Books, now you can see here, the audiobook you downloaded is just right here. One more thing, I will show you how to put a hold on something. All right, so Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. You can see it says available in 15 days, meaning that all the copies are being checked out right now, so you can't borrow it right now. So you can choose the hold feature. It says, would you like to receive an email notification when a book you've placed on hold becomes available? You can say okay or no. So I would choose okay. And this is where you can change the email notifications. I would turn it on, put the email address there. So right now it's on hold. If you change your mind, you can choose remove hold. So when you go to My Books, choose holds right here. You'll see that the book you have on hold is here. Any book that you're on the waiting list for will appear here, and then all the books you've checked out will be here in the current tab right here. So that is it for Cloud Library. It opens up a door for all kinds of reading and listening material that is sure to keep you busy.